I'm Srinandan. I'm born and brought up in Mysore. So, I've done my post graduation in general management from Bill and Stock Management Technology via upGrad. So, now I'm working as an area manager in one of the fintech company in Bangalore. I heard upGrad from a friend. So he suggested me that there is this platform where the courses are particularly designed in a way for professionals where they can spend a few extra hours every day and get their graduation completed. I chose upGrad to stand odd in the line and gain that extra advantage facing the interviewers, showing my skill set and leveraging the resume. They evaluated my SWOT, strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. So based on that, they gave me options like supply chain management. I wanted to increase myself, my designation to a upper hierarchy. So that's where I felt that management and project management, all these kind of things comes in place. So that's why I chose this course, general management, which in turn had a lot of mixtures of contents like Salesforce and handling CRM and everything. So that helped me in having a bird's eye view of what I'm doing and how to do better. I actually got theoretical knowledge, which I'm actually implementing it now in my practical setup. So post completing upGrad, I have received a hike of somewhere around 250%. So I'm very happy about it because it all could happen because of upGrad and my peers and parents' support. So I'm very happy about it. I was able to find a better designation and a better job myself. I would like to rate 10 on 10 for the upGrad experience, and I would definitely recommend.